All right, I have to start this off by saying thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so happy that you're here. And I don't know about you, but I am so inspired by Pottery Barn, not just for everything that they have, but also the way they decorate, from their bedrooms, the living rooms, and of course, the tablescapes. They are just so beautiful. But along with that beauty, usually comes a really high price tag. But I do have a solution for that. And I'm gonna show you how you can get that Pottery Barn look without spending a lot of money. And we're gonna get started right now. Hello, my crafty friends. And believe it or not, it really is springtime, even though I'm wearing a sweater. And with the changing of the seasons, as well as Easter is right around the corner, it's time to change my decor a little bit as well. It's time to switch out all of the wintertime decor and go with a more spring type look. And I'm not the only one who's changing their look for the change of the seasons. Pottery Barn is changing their look too. And if you go to their website, you can look through their spring lookbook. That catalog is so awesome. It has so many beautiful things. And if you have already gone through the spring lookbook, this might look a little bit familiar to you. These flowers were actually in the Pottery Barn spring lookbook for 2023. And believe me, I know what you're thinking. You're like, hold on a second. I thought I was going to be getting some Pottery Barn dupes in this video. And you will, I promise. But one of the things that I've learned, even when I'm doing Pottery Barn dupes, but to really bring the look together, it's really helpful to actually incorporate a few things from the place that you're going after that look. And that's what I've done with my tablescape. It's beautiful. I'm really happy with how this looks. And yes, a couple of the elements are from Pottery Barn, but the rest of the things that I have on my dining room table actually came from either the Dollar Tree or Amazon or even Walmart. And I can't forget the Hobby Lobby bunny rabbit. These came from Hobby Lobby. But what I do want to show you is you don't have to spend hundreds or sometimes even thousands of dollars to get a really high-end look in your home. So let me show you how I have taken some of the things that I make and I make them look like they came from Pottery Barn. Now, the first thing that I really wanted to create was some type of springtime floral. And I was really looking for something to duplicate the ranunculus. I think that's how you say that flower. But it's from Pottery Barn. For one bunch of these flowers, it was $59. And that was a lot of money. But to really get the look, I really needed to incorporate something from Pottery Barn. I searched places like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, even Walmart, looking for flowers that were similar. And then I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna go to my local Pottery Barn store and see what they have there. They actually did have the yellow flowers, which are now a part of my springtime tabletop decor. And I found some really pretty vases for these flowers to rest in or set into, but unfortunately that vase was $69 and I would need 2 of them. So this is where one of my favorite Pottery Barn dupes comes in. So I did buy these hammered glass stem vases at Pottery Barn and they were really affordable. They were $12, so I bought 2 of them. And when I brought them home, I was trying to figure out something that I could put around the center to have it look similar to the vase that I really liked. And when you're doing DIY projects, you're gonna have some really great projects and then you're gonna have some that you're like, this is just not going to work out. And I had that happen to me when I was trying to make my beautiful little vases. So I started out using raffia and I thought I would be able to wrap it around the vase. Unfortunately, it wasn't working out. So then I decided, you know what, let's just take some jute twine. And the jute twine worked perfectly. So I wrapped the center of each of the vases with a little bit of jute twine and I secured it in place with some hot glue. I know, probably shouldn't be putting hot glue onto a Pottery Barn item, but you know what? This was the look that I wanted and I was willing to take that chance. So I was able to make 2 of those vases for less than $25. And if I would have bought one of the ones that I really liked, it was going to be $69. So I was able to save a bunch of money by kind of replicating something that I would find at Pottery Barn. and I think they turned out really nice. Then for the flowers, I did buy one bunch of those flowers at Pottery Barn and I brought them home, and I went ahead and separated the flowers out. Again, I was a little bit nervous because I had spent a lot of money on these flowers, and now I'm going to turn them into just like loose stems. But I think it worked out really nice. I added in some other flowers that I got at Walmart, and now I have 2 springtime floral arrangements that I can set on my dining room table, and they look really nice. And like I said before, Pottery Barn just has a way of creating some beautiful tablescapes. I love the way they decorate, and that's the look that I'm trying to get in my own home. But I was able to find a much more affordable way to create a Pottery Barn tablescape simply by doing a little bit of research. So for my table runner, I actually found this on Amazon and it was less than $20. And for the placemats, I was able to get a set of 6 for $23. So for less than $50, I was able to add some really nice elements to my dining room table. And of course, then I was searching on Pottery Barn again and I found some really pretty brass candle holders. They're very simple, very elegant looking, and they also are out of stock. And then I remembered that on one of my outings at the Dollar Tree, I actually found some candle holders. They were black, but that's easy to remedy with a can of spray paint. So I had some brass colored spray paint and I went ahead and spray painted all of the little candle holders that I got brass. But I think they turned out really nice. And again, this was super easy. Then I got a couple of candles from Hobby Lobby and a couple of candles from Walmart. And I actually cut down the candles so that they are going to be different sizes. And then I just placed those randomly into the candle holders. And now I have another element for my table. But I didn't stop there. I wanted to add something just a little bit extra for the candles. So I found these candles at Walmart. And even though they're not real candles, I really like the look and the glow that I get from them. So then I just took a couple of Dollar Tree candle holders, spray painted them gold, which gives them a little bit of a different look, but I think it blends in really nicely on my table. And then when it comes time for Easter, I have these adorable little robin's eggs that I made. If you watched my video on Monday, you saw me make the Easter egg topiary tree, which I don't know if you can see it, it's actually behind me. But I have these really pretty eggs that I made. Super easy to do. And I think I'm going to actually incorporate these into my tabletop decor right around Easter. But for right now, I'm really liking the simplicity of my tabletop. And I did add in a little bit of the extra flowers that I got from Walmart. I was just trying to duplicate the look that I saw in the Pottery Barn catalog. And even my glasses. These glasses are so cute. They're not real glass. They're plastic, and I found them at Walmart. They were $2.46 a piece, and I think they look really nice on my table. My tabletop may not look exactly like Pottery Barn, but hopefully this gives you some ideas of things that you can do or incorporate into your own decorating. And by adding a few pieces that I actually got at Pottery Barn, I think it really elevates my look just that much more. And if you enjoyed today's video, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Just go ahead, click that subscribe button, and then you can click the bell notification so that way you'll be alerted when I have a new video coming out. And if you are really crafty and you like challenges, you're really gonna wanna subscribe because starting April 1st, I have the ultimate craft challenge for you. Every day in April, I am gonna have a new video, and the name of my challenge is called the 30-Day Craft Challenge. I know, I am so original, but I thought it would be really fun to give you 30 different crafts that you can work on. No, you don't have to do a craft every day, but I'm gonna bring a video to you every day. So like I said, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell notification, and then you'll find out when the craft challenge goes live. I think you're really gonna like it. And be sure to come back on Monday and I will have a brand new video for you. I really appreciate you stopping by and I'll see you next time.